Hi everyone, welcome back. In this following video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can find or locate your Wells Fargo bank account number. In order to locate your Wells Fargo bank account number, what you need to do is, you know the drill. First of all, check your internet connection and log in into your account by entering your credential. After you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to the home page, and right on this page, you'll be able to find the multiple account. And on this page, you need to select the particular account for which you want to actually check your account number or any of the account details. So click on the account that you wish to check for it. So once you're on this page, you need to click on routing and details located in the upper right hand side corner. As soon as you've clicked on routing and details, underneath you'll be able to see your account info. In order to view them in details, just tap on the account info page and then click on view, which is in the upper right hand side corner. In this way, you can find or locate your account number and routing number of Wells Fargo online. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching.